Hola amigos, welcome back. Today, we're diving back into the delicious world of Spanish food vocabulary. Whether you're planning a culinary adventure in Spain or just want to make conversation, this quiz is for you. This beginner-friendly quiz will show you English food words, and you'll have to choose the correct Spanish translation out of 3 options. You'll have 5 seconds to guess the correct answer, but feel free to pause the video if you need more time. Are you ready to turn up the heat on your Spanish food vocabulary? Vamos a cocinar con palabras. Let's start cooking with words. Get ready to be radished away. Rábano. Not your average quiz question coming up. Pistacho. Leave it to me to ask about this trendy green. Col rizada. Something's fishy about this next question. Atún. Open sesame. Your guess for this question. Sésamo. Don't let this round squash your confidence. Calabaza. Love at first sight? Nope. Clove at first bite. Clavo. Spice up your Spanish with this word. Pimienta. A fruit, a bird, or a New Zealander? You decide. Kiwi. Pop an eye open for this Popeye favorite. Espinaca. Slick move if you get this one right. Aceite de oliva. Use your loaf for this staple food. Pan. Very nice if you get this one. Fresa. Flower power in the veggie aisle. Cauliflower. Bring home the knowledge with this meaty treat. Tocino. Not to be confused with a grape or a fruit. Oh wait. Pomelo. Spice up your life with this pepper. Jalapeño. What's your beef with this meaty word? Res. It's a papaya, not dessert. Papaya. Treat yourself to this mini forest veggie. Broccoli. Use your noodle for this grainy question. Arroz. Spice up your life with this root. Jengibre. I'll be rooting for you on this nutty one. Nuez pecana. You'd be cray-cray not to know this crustacean. Langosta. Pair up your knowledge for this fruit. Pera. All of you to guess this Mediterranean fruit. Aceituna. Carve out some knowledge for this Halloween staple. Calabaza. Vampire-proof your vocabulary with this. Ajo. Utter nonsense if you don't know this one. Leche. Spice up your life with this sweet bark. Canela. Excelente trabajo, amigos. Great job, friends. If you enjoyed this culinary language adventure, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Spanish learning content. It helps us cook up more videos like this one. What food-related words would you like to learn next? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and remember, expanding your Spanish vocabulary is a feast, so keep coming back for more linguistic bites. Hasta luego. See you later.